My people, na me again, Ozobaba. My money na my money, your money na still my money. Welcome to TalkAm As E Be, where we no dey twist mouth to talk truth. Today gist go make your jaw drop o. Benue don burst. Egonga don enter wahala. Dangote dey plan something big, and very dark man don open mouth again about Sam Larry. Grab your popcorn, make we yarn am sharp sharp. Alright, make we start with Benue confession bombshell. Make we start with that one. Tension full Benue state as one of the suspects arrested over the Yele water massacre don confess. This guy yarn say dem no act alone. Say some local actors even help plan the thing. IGP don confirm say 53 people don enter net list over the killing. According to am, he say dem gather for bush like say na film dem dey act, but this one na real life horror. Dem burn villages, destroy farms and wipe out whole families. People dey para say government no gree act fast until bodies full everywhere. Now dem dey talk say e no go end like that. God go decide if na firing squad or jail, but as e be, street dey boil. My people, wetin una think? Should the convention end lesser punishment or must face am full? Make we lis ten to wetin the guy even confess.
Wait, go there. You go to work with them.
I go there with them.
No, you dey work with them. Yes, but you know, say dem dey carry gun dey waka.
Yes, sir.
But they see them with gun. But you don't even follow them waka. You follow them waka.
I dey carry their bag.
Okay, they carry them the waka. Na member you be. Very good. Okay. So now, which time you come house?
Na last week.
Friday.
Yes, sir.
So that place where them go keep people, wetin be on? Now you drive them go abi?
No, okay, I no go there.
You no go talk to go see book. See, yo, you don't no worry, more they go. I will continue. So now your name is boat driver. Yes. You are from Bagen here. Which village?
See my senior brother and father.
Thank you, no worry. No go, come on, go.
Get up where?
Alright, now I don hear the story from the guy himself. Make we go to this man, Balthazar Egonga. They don sentence am. They sentence the guy to 18 years, but this koko be this, say from playboy to prison boy. Balthazar Egonga, the man wey trend pass for all the wrong reason, don collect 18 years for prison after court find am guilty of recording illegal sex tapes and sleeping with top officials' wives. The guy just dey clear all the kpekus wey just dey see. He clear the chief judge wife, clear the president sister, clear anything, even the chief judge, the defense minister, na clear the guy dey clear. So the judge no even blink. Evidence clear like crystal. Dem say he used im power and charm manipulate women, record them and later use am for blackmail. Na big disgrace for one time social media king o. Some people dey shout say he na scapegoat, others talk say na long overdue. But the koko be say make una talk true. Na set up dem set Egonga or na come and knock on his door? Alright, make we talk of this rich man. Yes, they call am say the richest man in Africa. Una don't know who he be. Na Dangote wey get refinery. Na the fertilizer wahala or na blessing na we wan talk about. Nako they don talk say Africa no go dey import fertilizer again in 40 months. Count am 1 month, 2 months. Okay. Im big plan for Nigeria go produce over 6 million tons pass wetin Qatar dey produce. Abeg, let me ask the man, since Nigeria dey produce cement, wetin be the difference wey Nigeria dey see? No be Nigeria dey chop the whole wahala pass? Alright, some people dey hail am aliko to the world, others dey ask, hope this one no go end like subsidy. Wahala. I tell you now, this plan fit make farming cheaper, food cheaper, but only if dem no hijack the whole thing. Our viewpoint be say e good as Dangote dey do all these things on a monopoly level we dey enter. Make una talk una own. Alright, this other guy, VDM, don talk again about Sam Larry interview because people dey talk say wetin this guy dey yarn, wetin dey yarn. So very dark man don finally talk why he interview Sam Larry. He say no be say he support Sam Larry o, but say the man deserve to talk him side for the baby drama and Mohbad matter. But online people vex omo, dem para, tear shot, tear boxer. Dem say why now? Why give Sam Larry voice after all the dragging? VDM say if na true talk you want, you go hear everybody's version. He even talk say after the interview some people begin call am sell out, but he stand gidigba say truth no get enemy.
And my own is very clearer than the ones they have in the blogs. It is because me, I don't get my video since and I keep them. Now let's go back. I don't know why a lot of now they get them mixed up. When I interviewed Sam Larry, it is because I want to wake the case back up. Sam Larry said he didn't touch the boy, he didn't beat the boy. That one I own confession. I wait in talk, Abi. He called the main people who go talk, say, Sam Larry, you are lying. You touched the boy. This particular video where we just watch now, this particular video, I believe it was taken after that music video shoot where Zlatan and Mohbad appeared because of the hairstyle. Do you understand? Because of the hairstyle. And it shows, say, okay, like say, now that same day. Again, Mohbad also went to go and write petition against Sam Larry after this music video shoot that Sam Larry beat him up. You get the point? You go see why I interview him now. He still point a man, and a lot of videos they say Sam Larry name they everywhere, but this Sam Larry have come to deny it, making himself look like what? A saint. I wasn't there. You were not there. It's now time to point and say, you Sam Larry, you did it. That is why I walk back this case. Now, you see that case when Mohbad go right against Sam Larry. His witness is Zlatan Ibile. That Zlatan was there when Sam Larry assaulted him. When they now invited Sam Larry, he went there and countered it and said, it is a lie and my witness is Zlatan. Can you now see why I say wait? Zlatan.
Now fans they divide. Some say very dark man wise. Others say na chase cloud. But the koko be this. You believe say VDM just dey fear or e dey protect person with plenty secret? Wetin you think about am? So as you see am now, Naija no dey carry last from Benue tears to Egonga's downfall. Dangote dreams to VDM wahala. One thing clear, this country get drama pass Netflix. Yes, we get drama pass Netflix. If you never believe, go check am online. You go see say different para dey with all this comot this story one by one they give you, but every day different story dey for Naija. If you dey enjoy the way we dey TalkAm As E Be, abeg click that subscribe button, hit like.